stood on podiums, smile sharp like blades, whispering sweet lies in the market shades. We're attainable, we'll bring him home. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will never walk alone. Handshakes in Abuja, champagne at night, while chains grew tighter in the DSR slides. You sold your brother for a seat at the table. Turn freedom to ashes, make justice unstable. Oh, Southeast politicians, wolves wearing lace, you traded our hero for power and grace. You smiled in our villages, you lied to our face. Now Mazi rots in prison. Disgrace, disgrace. Betrayers of the blood, betrayers of the soil. You dine with the devil while our dreams boil. You spoke of rule of law, that phantom decree, a charge sheet invented no one else could see. Secret trials at midnight, no witness, no proof. While you collected Esther code under the roof. Life imprisonment whispered in corridors deep. Your loyalty was never ours to keep. You were Ankara, but your hearts were chains. You bowed in Aso Rock while we carried the pains. Oh, Southeast politician, wolves wearing lace, you traded our hero for power and grace. You smiled in our villages, you lied to our face. Now Mazi rots in prison. Disgrace, disgrace. Your hands are red, your promise is black. History will curse you, there's no turning back. We trusted your tongues, we believed your tears, but everywhere working was a knife in our ears. You feast in the villa while our leader wastes. Your children in London, our future